In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to embed a video on your WordPress website using the Easy Video Player plugin. This is a simple and beginner-friendly method that works great if you want to display MP4 videos cleanly on your site without dealing with complicated code or third-party embeds. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a video fully embedded and playing on your WordPress site. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more WordPress and software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, log into your WordPress admin area. This is your WordPress dashboard, where you manage plugins, settings, media, and pages on your site. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side and hover over Plugins, then click on Add New. This will take you to the plugin installation screen where you can search for new plugins to add to your site. At the top right of the Add Plugins page, you'll see a search box. Type in Easy Video Player and press Enter. In the results, look for the plugin called Easy Video Player. Once you find it, click the Install Now button. WordPress will download and install the plugin for you automatically. After the installation finishes, click Activate to enable the plugin on your website. Now that the plugin is activated, the next step is to configure its settings. Go to the left-hand menu, hover over Settings, and then click on Easy Video Player Settings. Inside the Settings page, look for the option to enable jQuery. Make sure this option is turned on, because Easy Video Player relies on jQuery to function properly on most WordPress themes. After enabling jQuery, scroll down and save your changes. Next, it's time to upload the video you want to embed. From the WordPress dashboard menu, click on Media and then select Add New. This opens the Media Uploader. Here, you can either drag and drop your MP4 video file or click Select Files to upload it from your computer. Once the upload is complete, WordPress will host the video for you in the media library. After the video is uploaded, you can copy the video URL from the media details if needed, or simply rely on the Easy Video Player shortcode if the plugin provides one. Depending on how you want to display the video, you can add it to a page or a post. Open the page or post where you want the video to appear and insert the Easy Video Player shortcode or embed option provided by the plugin. Paste in your video file or select it from the media library. Once you've added the video, click Update or Publish to save your changes. Now open your website in a new tab and visit the page where you added the video. You should see your MP4 video embedded and playable directly on your site using the Easy Video Player. This confirms that everything is working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to embed a video with the Easy Video Player WordPress plugin. This method is perfect for showcasing self-hosted videos in a clean and professional way. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.